Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna solve the problem with the Slavic exam, which was held in Codeforces 964. So let's get into the problem statement. It says that Slavic has a very tough exam and needs you to help in order to pass it. Here's the question that he's struggling with. So they have given a string S, and which consider of lowercase letters. It is always of lowercase letters, and there are question marks in between them. Like we have in that string S, we have lowercase letters, and combined with that, we have zero or more question marks. Question marks can be there or cannot be there. Along with that, letters in the string S. And Salvik is asked to change the question mark string question mark to a lowercase English letter such that a string T becomes a subsequence of the string S. So basically, if you look at the directly the test case, we are given a string S and a string T. A string S and a string T. So we need to change this question mark to some other English letter, like lowercase letters, such that this string T will become the subsequence of the string S. That's what it says in the input parameter. We are given an test case T and a string S, and obviously the length of the T will be less than or equal to the string S. Okay, or if it is more, then you can make a corner case and make it as no. So we are given a string S and a string T, and we need to our output should be such that it should be yes or no along with it. Let me come to that part. We should give yes or no. No means a string T cannot be a subsequence. Yes means a string T can be a subsequence. So along with that, what is the final string yes? What is the final string yes? If multiple answers are possible, I can output any one of them. We can output any one of them. So basically, this question mark to be a this thing now to be the string to be a subsequence of string yes, I can change this question mark as x a, sorry, not a, right, x b x and some other dummy letter a. Okay, this can also be a possible answer. See, if it runs to the first three characters, it has already become a substring or a subsequence. Yeah, they are saying a subsequence, right? Not a substring. So it makes much more easier for us. So subsequence, and it any denominator. It need not be x again. It can be AA as well. Once you achieve that condition, they you can fill it with the remaining denominators. So basically, if you come to this thing, AB question mark E, and string T is ABCDE. Just if you compare it, only one possible, it is just CD. That is only one possible case. If you come here, and it has already been A is already been achieved in the first case, so it doesn't matter what you place with this question mark. And if you come here, and it is not at all possible, why? Because DAC, like only two possible are there, but D you can't fill with D here or C here, so that it will achieve this DAC. And this one, there is no question mark, and even if you check with this subsequent algorithm, so it won't be possible. So no, so both of them are no. If it is no, no need to print that string. If it is yes, you need to print any one of the possible case. So how do you solve this problem is basically using a two pointer approach. So you will have a string s and string t. So basically string s will be longer than a string t. So these are the letters of the string s, and these are the letters of the string t. So let's have a two pointer. One is I here, and one is j here. Let's say the length of the string s is n, and this length of the string j is m. So let's run. See, we will start with the very first letter of both the case, and our this thing. What are terminating statement, or what is that in end of the problem? Like when the code will end is if either one of them, like if either j is reaches the m point or I reaches the m point, we will terminate the problem and we will calculate the result till that result at that point. So till then we will start with the very first letter. Once the letters are same, like I'm proceeding with the numbers, okay, and it can be letters as well. Once the letters are same, then j will move to the next pointer, even I will move to the next pointer. If the letters are not same, let's say here it is 3, here it is 1. If the letters are not same, only I will move to the next pointer, only I will move to the next pointer, but j will remain the same. So basically, uh, it will the basic condition will be on while loop while I is less than n and j is less than m, and we will run the while loop till then. And irrespective whether the characters are matching or not, I will be keeping on moving. And but for j, if it matches, then only it will move to the next pointer. Okay. And suppose there is a question mark here. Suppose there is a question mark here and j is here, so we can take an advantage of this situation. We can replace this question mark with 3. That's what we are going to do. Why? Because if our answer becomes yes, if our answer becomes yes, if our answer becomes yes, and we need to print the string yes, right, any one of the possible conditions. So we will be keeping on modifying as we move on, so that it will be easier to print it at the last. So this will be condition for yes. What will be condition for no? In the sense, if the I reaches at the end but j didn't reach the end, there are some more letters still needs to be satisfied, or none of the letters are satisfied, then it will be as no. Let me show you the code. Similarly, I will have a string t, s and t, and I will in getting the input and getting the size, and take a copy of the string s. Why? Because we don't want to lose the original. And see, so basically, as I said, till the I reaches the end or j reaches the end, I will keep on moving it. And if the letters are matching in the jth, like, I mean the string tth letter with the string s letter, then I will increment the j. And if it is a question mark, I will take the advantage of it. I'll replace that question mark with the jth letter, whatever it is present, and again I will increment the j. If it is not matching, I will be keeping on moving irrespective whether the j is moving or not. So come to this thing. If j has reached the end, but there are still, like, let's say I have discussed the condition where j did not reach the end but I has reached the end, then it will be a no. But what if j reached the end but I is still in somewhere here, but there are question marks further, then you can replace it with some any dummy character. That dummy character I chose is a, so you can replace it that dummy character, and then print yes and the copy of that string. And say if j didn't reach the end, then this if will be false, and then you need to print no. So basically, yeah, this will satisfies this code. I'll clear this thing. Set. Yeah, I'll keep on refreshing. Yeah, it got accepted. So thanks for watching this video. Thank you.